All right, so this is the new pool that we're gonna install. And you can see here, all the stairs are custom molded into the shell, along with a beautiful bench going this whole shallow end, kind of wraps right around. We have basically a little step out so you can get out of the pool over here if you'd like to. Okay, so the pool walls, a lot of people ask like what it feels like inside the pool. It's a very smooth feel. They work really hard on the molds to make sure that the pool just has a nice uniform smooth look as it goes around. You'll notice that there's kind of like a little shine to it, and that's basically how smooth it is. It's so smooth that it's shiny. But the floors, the seating and the stairs, they all have a little texture, so come check it out. There's a subtle texture here, not really enough to trap dirt or anything like that, but just enough to give you some stability and support when you're walking around the pool or sitting down in the seats of the pool, things like that. Winds up being a real nice experience, and it's very easy to clean. On all of our fiberglass pools, we have this small ledge going across, and as you can see, it's not very deep. This is called the convenience ledge. It's roughly 2 feet down from the top of the pool. You can put your feet on here, hop out of the pool anywhere around the pool. But what it also does is, because of the shape of it, it allows for the pool to be stronger, and the walls are stronger. So besides giving the pool more strength, it's a nice convenient feature, and the kids love it, especially small kids. They can kind of stand here and grab the coping right here and scurry around the pool. It's pretty neat. Hi, thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe. If you'd like to see videos of our latest project, please click or tap over here. If you'd like to see a video where our clients are talking about their experience working with us, please click or tap up here. Thanks again, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.